smiling bright in every way. Little heart so pure and true. Ya Allah, we turn to you. When the sun begins to rise, golden light fills up the skies. We say Alhamdulillah, loud thank you Allah, we feel proud. For our parents, for our home, for the places where we roam, for the food and for the air. Ya Allah, you're everywhere. Little hands make dua say, little hearts say Allah might guide us every single day, keep us on the righteous way. Little hands make duas name, we believe in you Allah, forgive us when we do wrong, make our iman pure and strong. When we study, when we play, help us choose a better way. Make us kind to everyone, sharing smiles with everyone. If we fall or feel afraid, in your mercy we are safe. You are closer than we know, loving us wherever we go. Ya Allah, hear our prayer, fill our lives with love and care. Bless the children everywhere, keep them always in your care. Little hands make